Today, we'll be taking a look at the door catch on this LG gas dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the gas. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, we'll open the door to gain access to our door catch here. Now, the object of the door catch is for this pin strike to go in and to hold the door shut. But sometimes inside of this catch, this plastic will get kind of wore out and you'll see it broken up inside. If this has happened, the catch will need to be replaced. Now, it is held on by 2 Phillips screws. Go ahead and pull out on the catch and set it to the side. When installing a new catch, it will have a curved side that will go in toward the inside door. So we will line it up, install our first screw. Second one here. Make sure your door will open and close right. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.